Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about dividing polynomials using synthetic division method. Okay? First, synthetic division method. The first example is x square minus 7x minus 31 divided by x minus 3. Okay, in synthetic division, we will take the leading coefficients. We'll write it as 1x square minus 7x minus 31 divided by x minus 3, right? So we'll make x minus 3 equal to 0, add 3 on both the sides, x equal to 3. So in synthetic division, we'll divide it by 3. For that, we need leading coefficients. What are leading coefficients? The number in front of the leading coefficient. Like if the degree is 2, that is the highest degree in this question. Here the leading coefficient is 1. Okay. For the second term, the leading coefficient is minus 7. And third term is a constant minus 31. Now we have to do dividing by 3. So we'll write 3. Always we have to keep 0 here. Okay. So now 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Now we'll do 3 times negative 4. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. When you add these two numbers, minus 31 minus 12 is minus 43. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 43. This is your reminder. This is so much easy when compared to long division method. Okay. So when you go for a competitive math, instead of long division method, we'll prefer synthetic division method. It's easy. Remainder is negative 43. So how you will write in the degrees form, okay, in the variable form. Here, we started with x square and we are dividing by x minus 3, right? So the next term will come. So for the x square, the next degree will be x to the power of 1, x and minus 4. And this minus 43 is your remainder. So minus 43 divided by x minus 3. Okay. So if you're doing the division with, if the question has x cube power in the beginning, when you write your answer, it will start from x square. Okay. Now coming to the second example, if we want to do x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Okay, x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. We can write 1x square. And in this also we have to check whether all the degrees are present or not. Okay, we have x to the power of 2, but we don't have x. So we'll write plus 0 times x minus 4 and then we'll divide it by x minus 2. Again, to do division, we know x minus 2 equal to 0. We are solving for x. We are adding 2 on both the sides. X is 2. So we are dividing it by 2. So take the leading coefficients, which is 1. The leading next for the second coefficient, there is no leading coefficient. So we are considering it as 0 and it is negative 4. Okay, because here x term is missing, we always have to make sure that we have to write 0 times x. Now we are dividing with 2. Okay, always first place keep 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now multiply these two numbers. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is positive 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is positive 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is called the remainder. Here we don't have a remainder in this question. Because we started the question with x square and when you're dividing by x, So we'll get the second next degree, x square, x, and this is plus 2. Because we have the question with x square, the answer will start from x to the power of 1, which is nothing but x plus 2. Okay, because it is, or else you can write 1 times x plus 2 or x plus 2. Okay. Coming to the third example now. X square plus x minus 6. We are dividing it by x plus 3. Okay. X square plus x minus 6 divided by x plus 3. So what you'll do, 1, 1 and minus 6, because we are taking the leading coefficients, 1, 1 and minus 6. Again, x plus 3 equal to 0, x will be minus 3. Doing with minus 3. 0, 1. 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Always first place should be 0 in synthetic division. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. So the remainder is 0. The final answer will be x, 1 times x minus 2 or x minus 2. Okay. Coming to the last example, x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 5x, and we are dividing it by x minus 1. Take the leading coefficients. What are the leading coefficients? The number before the any x variable. Okay. Here nothing is there. So 1 and negative 3, negative 3 and 5. In this question, we have all the degrees, so no need to add any zeros, x or something like that. Because fourth degree, third degree, second degree, and the degree 1. Okay. Now, x minus 1 equal to 0. And solve for x. With that number, we'll start dividing. So we are dividing with 1. Okay, 0. 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2 is negative 5. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, because the question starts with x to the power of 4, we are dividing by x. So it will become x to the power of 3 and then minus 2x square and minus 5x. This is third degree, x to the power of 3 minus 2x square minus 5x. I hope I gave you a clear idea about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Thank you so much for watching.